You guys, it's 2021. I'm excited. I want to take the opportunity to thank you guys for supporting me in 2020 and hopefully in 2021. It's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. I have been looking for a glittery case ever since I found out that the spec iPhone case is not good at all, especially with the buttons on the side. I think one of you recommended the Twinkle cases from Case Mate, so I did check them out. I loved them so much, so I did order a couple of them because I don't know what I want and I just want to try them out. So for today, I'm going to show to you 3 of the Twinkle Case Collection, which we're gonna check what fits with our iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold iPhone. Without further ado, here it is. So we're gonna start with this right here. Oh, I love that they have a zip lock right here. Like in here, zippy. Here is the case. Really? Is this legit? We'll see here. Let me check if there's more inside. No more. And that is it. They have a Case Mate logo in here and a Case Mate name here, brand. Here's the case. Oh man, that's so goldy. Go goldy. I love gold. I had a Instagram that has a name called I Love Gold. I have been ordering the iPhones for years and years and I order the gold because I love gold. So pretty. Let's do a focus here. There is the Case Mate branding in here, if you can see that. And then let's see. Oh, they feel so sturdy, guys. I love the glitters. It's a hard shell actually. There's the bottom, the sides, the top, and then the other side. So let's try it on our phone. Oh my god! Here's my phone and let's slap this on the case. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just so excited. Look at that, guys. I love it. You can actually see that it looks like a white phone, white iPhone, but it's not. Oh my god. I'm loving this. Oh, we're gonna try this also with the MagSafe charger, but for now, I'm gonna peel this off right here. The plastic. I love the gold glitters there and everything. So yeah, I could watch this all day long, guys. Camera right here. I feel like it's the same as the Casetify. I mean, Casetify is 60 bucks. I just bought this for 39, I guess, or 30. So it doesn't hurt my pocket at all. And also the front right here. It's not that high, but it's just enough lip for when you wanna set it front screen down. I think it'll be fine. And the camera, I'll just get the camera protector, I guess. I have not gotten one, but for this case I will definitely get one because I want to wear this all the time because I love the color, I love the twinkle, and it's not as expensive as the Casetify. This is worth it. I don't care about the camera right here, too low, and the front. So let us try the MagSafe charger. Wait, no. So it is a hard shell, so I don't think it's going to be charging through MagSafe charger. So I still want to show you guys. Let's do it again. Facing you. Cool. It does charge. Just make sure that you put it in the center, but it doesn't hold the magnet. So just keep in mind if you want to buy this case. So let us go to the next case. 1, 2. Okay, this. I think this is a legit Case Mate brand on Amazon. Unbox this. I love the zippy. And I got the... I can't see! This is the Twinkle Stardust with micropel. What is micropel? Let's check it out. I feel like I want to keep all of this. Look at this, guys. I like this too, but I think a white iPhone would look good on this case. Still going to check it and try it on our iPhone 12 Pro Max. Love it! It feels so sturdy. It's so hard shell. Super hard shell. And I love it. I bought this for $27.99. $27.99? I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, email. And it's easy to take off. Of course, I don't have an acrylic nail or I don't have a long nail, so it's easy. Close up right here. Super pretty. Glitters there. And they have a branding in here. You can see that. And then on the side, transparent and transparent. Oh, by the way, I have not tried to press the buttons, but I did push it and it's super soft, but I'm gonna show you in a few. I'm just super excited. That's why I'm really want to try all this. I've waited for like 2 weeks. I got this, I think it's first week of December, and I have to wait because I have like lined up for my next video, so this is the time. Hallelujah. Let's try it here. I want to keep this. I bought these cases just to try pick one, but I did not expect that I'm gonna keep them. So I'm gonna keep this. So that's the camera. Not enough, but I don't friggin' care. The bottom. It looks silver right now, but it's just the lighting. But it's actually gold. Because you know, my phone is gold, you know. But if there is a sunshine, I'm gonna try take a video of that and check it out, you know. Let's try play a music here. Okay. That is my Christmas tree there. But what was I supposed to do? Oh, buttons. Oh, this one. I don't have a premium Spotify anymore, so dealing with 30 minutes uninterrupted ads, I guess. It's my favorite song. Dua Lipa in the house. Love that song, Levitating. I'm levitating. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, we're gonna try the buttons. I forgot. Down. Okay. Volume up. Can't stop moving, guys. Yeah. The screen here. Super soft. I don't know if you can hear. No, don't do that. So if you press this right here super fast, it will bring you to the SOS. You don't need that right now because you're safe at home, Maureen. Front right here, super soft. And then in here. Oh, I love it. Legit, guys, legit Case Mate. We are gonna take off the plastic here because we're gonna keep this. Ta-da! Light, starlight, I need you. Lovely. Let's try it on a MagSafe charger. Again, it is thick, so it's not gonna hold well there. But we're gonna just find the magnet in here, the magnet of the phone, and then slap it there. Whoa. Oh, there you go. You don't have enough magnet right there because the phone has a very thick back. It doesn't really hug it on the phone well. You can see that, and then just slowly lay it flat and then charge it that way. It's not like on this case that it has a MagSafe magnet right here. MagSafe magnet. It has a magnet right here. That's why the MagSafe charger is stuck in there. But in here, we don't have that. So it just falls. But you still can charge it. There's actually ways. If there's a will, there's a way, right? Let's see what's the last one. I'm gonna keep it or I'm gonna return it. This one actually has a box. Sheer crystal. I have a feeling that this would be my favorite. Okay, simple. Let's take this off. As usual, easy to take it off. Let's try it on the case. I mean, on the phone. Ooh, snug. So gotta make sure that you line it up with the buttons right in here on these sides. So it's not crooked, but it's super soft too. So this is the sheer crystal. And let's take the film here. Oh, the plastic film on this sheer crystal is kind of thinner than the other ones. Which one is your favorite? This is my least favorite. Okay, my most favorite is this. And then next is this. I drop it. And then I like this too. I got the Twinkle collection on my collection. Sounds cool. I'm just gonna use the gold one now, for now, because I like it. Most favorite of the three. Love it, love it, love it. So that ends this video. I thought about buying this because I want to pick one and just return the other ones, but I'm gonna keep all this. If you guys are interested with these cases, they are on sale on Amazon. This is not sponsored by Case Mate. So I'm gonna link these products on the description box so that you can just check it out and click that or order it if you want. Thank you guys for joining me in checking out these cases right here. I love them all. I'm gonna keep them forever and ever. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!